Good morning, I'm Meteorologist Ted Schmidt. Happy Thursday. We have a beautiful day in store, maybe the best day of the week because we have the low humidity right now. In fact, we started this morning at 49 degrees, almost like a taste of Canada, or a taste of September weather anyway. But big warm-up is in store, a fairly dry atmosphere, a bit of a south breeze. Those will work together to warm things to more July-like levels later today. Now keep in mind, we only reached a high of 70 yesterday, so we're kind of on a cool trend right now. But again, from here, we are going to warm up to the 80s later on, and that's going to be a trend that carries us into the weekend. Definitely warmer days ahead. So if you're thinking, whoa, summer's done, no, we had about a 24-hour break with those clouds and some of the showers in the area, and that cooler air mass settling in yesterday behind that Tuesday cold front has made the difference for us here in the short term. But again, yeah, things changing as we speak. It's already up to 65 in Rochester here at a minute before 9 on this Thursday morning. Here's our Gwaltney Group camera from Assisi Heights. I'm meteorologist Ted Schmidt again. Today, things look fantastic with abundant sunshine in store. We get a break from intense humidity. We continue that break anyway, looking for a really bright and pleasant afternoon. And it looks like the next few days will feature little spurts of really nice weather, but also more intense humidity and eventually some thunder in the forecast. 60 right now in Rochester, it's 59 in Winona, Mason City 59 and 65 already in Austin, dew point 55 with the hint of a south breeze here in the Med City. Air pressure rising as high pressure is nearby, 30.06 inches of mercury. Here's our day planner. Plenty of sunshine. 83 the expected high late this afternoon, with the southwest breeze at times reaching 15 miles per hour. A pretty tame breeze and a pretty reasonable amount of humidity, or not that much humidity in the atmosphere. Again, very crisp and dry right now. As we move through the day, that will change, but it won't be moving it up that quickly. That humidity content, that will change more noticeably tomorrow. That'll prime the atmosphere for rain chances here. But right now, the rain north and west of us, it looks like it's going to go through the Twin Cities here by lunchtime. For us, it'll be a dry situation until later tomorrow as we look ahead at a storm system that's approaching for the northwest. One disturbance grazes us to the north, another one coming in out of British Columbia that will take aim on the area for the end of the week and for the upcoming part of the weekend. So we're looking to tap into some heat and humidity that's going to be building in. All right, the Storm Prediction Center outlook for the region, all of it mainly north of us, locally anyway, Twin Cities and north. Later today, we may see some large hail and damaging winds, the marginal risk there, but nothing for us. Tomorrow, we will be in the marginal risk, starting mainly late tomorrow night. We are going to see some isolated thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening tomorrow, but again, there's a complex of activity. In that orange area, that's the enhanced risk of severe weather, and that is expected to be a source region for some strong storms late tomorrow evening that will rumble into our area well after midnight, perhaps very early Saturday morning. Similar, I think, to the timing of the thunderstorms we had last weekend. Remember last Saturday, we had some intense thunderstorms that made their way into our area between about 5 and 9 a.m., and we may see something similar to that, but it'll be the remnants of a much stronger complex of activity northwest of us. Large hail and damaging winds, again, the primary concerns with that. Saturday, heat, humidity, it takes center stage. That's going to prime the atmosphere for more thunderstorms. So by evening, some strong storms will be possible. Really, at this point, the best chance, the primary risk time anyway, the time frame will be midnight or maybe even beyond. We may see some strong storms just a little before that. That'll be Saturday evening after about 7 o'clock. We start looking for that possibility. But as it stands right now, it'll be in the overnight hours with damaging wind gusts and perhaps some hail to go with that. But we'll be watching that for Saturday. In the meantime, like I said, steamy weather, heat indices Saturday will be around 100. The high temperature in the low and mid 90s. The hottest day of the week, one of the hottest of the summer, and we may have the highest humidity content in the atmosphere of the entire season thus far. We've had some dew points in the low 70s, but then we get to Saturday afternoon, we may see that dew point around 75, 76 degrees, which is really, really steamy stuff, oppressively humid. As we're kind of getting into that time frame, that late July, early August stretch of weather oftentimes is the most humid of the year because of the presence of the peak growing season, that atmosphere charged with extra moisture from what we call evapotranspiration. That's when you have the corn especially, releasing that moisture in the atmosphere as it's at its healthiest stage when it's growing, and it releases a lot of that through transpiration. So, yeah, it looks like a steamy stretch of weather, especially on Saturday. But high-risk future track looking at the showers and thunderstorms north of us today. We will stay dry. But here's the dew point forecast. Let's start with tomorrow. That's the first day on there. Dew points approaching 70 by Saturday. mid-70s. We might even see a couple spots topping 75 for that dew point temperature. And Sunday still fairly sticky. We get a slight break next week from that, Monday and into Tuesday and Wednesday. But those days feature still some seasonable warmth. In other words, we take a break from the intense heat, but still fairly warm. And there will be small, isolated thunderstorm chances each of those days in the upcoming week. So there will be rain chances galore, but I don't think any total washout is expected in the way of rainfall. So today's thunderstorms skirt the area to the north. Here's Futurecast looking ahead at tonight into tomorrow. We stay dry with showers north and west of us. Our chances come in late Friday. Here's Futurecast Friday. A couple of thunderstorms pop up around 4 or 5 o'clock. Isolated, very sparse activity. And then going to Friday night, watch this complex of thunderstorms come into the area. Chance that will cause some damaging wind gusts and maybe some hail in our area around 3 or 4 or 5 in the morning on Saturday. Another round of storms you see northwest of us may come in for Saturday evening and Saturday night. So here's the timing of those storms. We start with tomorrow because today is rain-free. I start with that possibility. Friday afternoon, isolated thunderstorms around 4 until about 7 or 8, and then perhaps after midnight, a line of stronger storms. Saturday, thunderstorms left over early, redeveloping storms in the evening and overnight hours, at least the chance after about 6 or 7 o'clock in the evening, but again, the best chance might be close to midnight. And then Sunday, leftover shower or thunderstorm, but not a severe weather environment. By then, that'll be behind the cold front that impacts our Saturday. That moves in late Saturday. And Sunday, not quite as hot as a result, but still a few storms will be possible. So forecast today, mostly sunny, warm and pleasant. Our Thursday looks terrific. Sunset coming up at 8:50, 83 the expected high in Rochester, 83 in Mason City, 82 in Albert Lee. Abundant sun, not terrible amount of humidity. Dew points only approaching 60 by day's end. 83 today. We drop back to the 60s tonight. Not quite as cool as the past couple of nights. Certainly no 40s ahead of us. And then for today, sunny skies. Tonight, clear and 65. And then tomorrow, a couple of thunderstorms very late in the day. Isolated late day thunderstorms, warm and humid with some sun otherwise. South winds gust beyond 15 miles per hour, kind of stirring things up a little bit, make things a little more comfortable. But 86 the high. Heat indices in the upper 80s. And the outlook for the weekend, thunderstorms, a few of those late Friday and Friday night. Again, evening storms Saturday. That'll be the best chance overall of rainfall. And Sunday, maybe just a couple of stray storms. Otherwise, warm and humid. Temperatures around 87 on Sunday afternoon. Here's the 7-day forecast more in detail. A lot of 80s, and that day on Saturday will be especially steamy, sultry, and oppressive. Heat next level around 100. Next week, low and mid 80s with smaller rounds of just very sparse, isolated thunderstorms. Meantime, enjoy the sunshine today. We'll see you right back here on Friday for TGIF. Have a great day, everybody.